I've been undertaking research around finding ways of getting robust science to support conservation management approaches in a positive way, particularly things that are helping tackle a number of drivers of habitat conversion, forest fragmentation, forest loss. It's an important balance we need to make with the research with regards to requirements for nature, particularly nature recovery, but of course being very mindful of people's requirements of what's often now a shared space.
Having all this information means that we can show that this national park is really important. We can hopefully use that to lobby governments and lobby and get other funding to increase protection, so increase ranger patrols, increase our sort of community engagement work around the parks to try and help people to diversify their livelihood so that they're not going into the forest to hunt. So basically supporting communities as best we can to try and encourage more environmentally friendly behaviours.
The only way the solutions we might be able to come up with are going to work is with co-design and involvement with those people who are going to be most directly affected. So you have to start from the ground up, working with those people and let them lead and let them co-design.
We developed our national park management plan, so it has 5 missions: climate, water, nature, people and place. And we've decided in that management plan that we're going to take a very evidence-based approach to decision making. We need to develop and build these deep working relationships with universities because time's running out. The University of South Wales is very responsive to our kind of research needs and our research questions. The holy grail for me is that we can ask our, if you like, kind of quasi-academic questions, and then the likes of David will actually turn those into proper research questions, but it extends our capability.